Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd show you my setup. I'm making some zucchini relish this morning, bubbling away. Behind it I have my lids simmering. And over here I've got my water bath canner heating up. It's not quite boiling yet. Now we're lucky to have a stove on our porch, so we don't have to heat up the whole house. And across the way we have a table. I've got my towel, a plate to put the hot jars on, a bunch of rings, got my funnel, my lid lifter, and my ladle, and then I've got a cutting board to put the hot relish on once it's ready. So I'll just put it there, I'll put my hot jars on the plate, fill them up, put a lid on them and a ring, and put them in my canner. My jars are waiting for me in the oven. So everything's just about ready. I've got about another minute on the relish and we'll be canning away.